Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing a screen mirroring dongle that bridges your iPhone to the vehicle display. Plug the dongle into the head unit's HDMI or USB input, then connect your iPhone with the Lightning cable. This bypasses CarPlay app restrictions. Once done, power the dongle and select the matching input on the stereo. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on the dongle is enabled if it uses wireless pairing. This ensures low-latency video. Now you're ready to mirror the iPhone display. You now enable the iPhone screen mirror to route YouTube to the car display. From Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, then pick the dongle listed. If a PIN appears, enter it on the phone. Once connected, start the YouTube app and rotate or lock orientation to suit the screen. Make sure microphone and screen recording permissions are granted if the dongle requests them. This allows audio pass-through. If video is choppy, switch from wireless to wired connection for more stable throughput. You finish by optimizing playback and handling common issues. Map YouTube controls to the car's touch or steering interface and set volume levels before driving. If audio or video drifts, plug the dongle to a wired HDMI or USB input and close background apps to free bandwidth. If mirroring fails, reboot the phone, then the dongle, then the head unit. This sequential restart often clears pairing faults. Remember, do not interact with video while driving. Pull over safely to control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.